Hello, my name's Guardian and welcome to Acadia Geek-Works, your place to find all things geeky and your next hobby. Today we're going to be talking about how to get started with cloud gaming. Now, have you ever wished that you could play your PC or console games while commuting or on your lunch break, but you can't afford a mobile gaming solution like a Steam Deck or a Switch? Well, with cloud gaming, you can. It's a relatively new technology that is really changing the way that people play video games. It gives you the ability to put down a game on your computer, pick it up again on your phone, or even a different computer, and pick up right where you left off. With internet speeds getting faster and faster, cloud gaming is finally becoming a much more attractive option, allowing gamers to get some quality game time in wherever they find themselves. So in this video, we're going to be covering the basics of what cloud gaming is and what services there are for getting started, in addition to some accessories that I think are helpful to make sure you're getting the most out of your gaming session. So let's jump in. So what exactly is cloud gaming? Well, cloud gaming is exactly that. It's gaming on the cloud. Basically, you're remoting into a server or computer that is running a specific game and using whatever device you have locally to view and control the game that is being run on a remote piece of hardware. Now, what that means for your gaming experience is that you can play games on max graphics, on a computer or a device that was never meant to play that game, let alone on maximum graphics quality. But on the flip side, this means that unless your connection is perfect, there's a chance that your controller inputs could lag, causing your in-game response time to decrease and making normally simple challenges difficult. At the end of the day, cloud gaming really does have its ups and downs, but it's still a great way to game if you have good internet connection speeds. So how do you get started? Well, there's two ways. You either need to sign up for a cloud gaming service, or if you already have a gaming computer, download a program that allows you to remotely game on your computer or console. For cloud gaming services, there's two big ones. There's Xbox Game Pass and Amazon Luna. We'll be talking about those. So for Xbox Game Pass, that gives you the ability to not only game on the cloud, but also to download games to your consoles or PC, so you can try games that you may not normally have tried without having to pay for them directly. Game Pass Ultimate is currently subscription-based. It's a plan that starts for only $1 for the first month and $15 a month after that, with other options to customize your plan if you are only a console or PC gamer, in addition to some other options. Amazon Luna is a system that is solely based on the cloud. It's a subscription plan. It's only $10 a month with some options for add-ons that can be used to customize your plan, in addition to also having a rotating selection of games available every month for Amazon Prime members, which is a really great way to test out cloud gaming on Luna before subscribing if you already have a Prime membership. And let's be honest, most people have a Prime membership nowadays. Now, there's also some other options in which you can play your Ubisoft games that you have already purchased on the Ubisoft store on your computer on the cloud, which is nice if you're a Far Cry or Assassin's Creed fan. The next option is great if you already have a gaming PC and are an avid user of Steam. Steam offers a free service called Steam Link that allows you to remotely connect to your gaming PC from another computer or device and play your collection of Steam games over the internet. This is great if you're like me and you have an exorbitant amount of games on your Steam library that you've picked up during sales and never really touched because you don't have time. Now, the difference between using Steam Link and a cloud gaming service is that Steam Link it just remotely connects you to your computer. Rather than a version of the game that's running on a server from somewhere, you're using your own hardware to play the game. And the internet just acts as a way to view your screen and use inputs on your computer. Now that we've discussed some different methods of cloud gaming, let's talk about some accessories that make the experience way better. Obviously, a full-fledged AAA games were not designed to be played on a touchscreen. So the first accessory I recommend is a controller. There's a lot of great options out there for phone controllers that just lock your phone into place, but if you're starting on the cheap and you already have an Xbox One controller kicking around, you could pick up one of these awesome phone grips for your controller, and that allows you to connect your phone and have it held right above your controller. Now, if using an Android, there is already controller support built into the operating system, allowing you to easily control your phone with your controller, which is super awesome. so you don't have to take your hands off the controller and you can just jump right in. That also works just over Bluetooth. The next thing I'd recommend is a good pair of headphones. Depending on the type of game you're playing, audio can be super important, and headphones can definitely make the difference while gaming on the go. Plus, you never want to be that guy that's playing audio really, really loudly in the office or on public transport. So a good pair of Bluetooth headphones never hurts for your gaming sessions. And lastly, it never hurts to have a good battery pack, because cloud gaming certainly sucks up the battery life. Even though your phone's just streaming video and inputs, it's a lot of upload and download, and your battery's going to die quick. Last thing you want to do is peel your battery gaming and become phoneless for the day. So I definitely recommend picking yourself up a good battery pack if you don't already have one. If you watched to this point, thank you for watching, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button. Regardless, I hope this helped you to learn the basics of cloud gaming and gave you the information you need to get started with cloud gaming. Again, my name's Guardian, and thanks for watching me here at Acadia Geek-Works.